In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Cloudways. If you've ever updated your website and then refreshed the page only to see the old version still showing, you're definitely not alone. This is a very common issue on Cloudways because the platform uses multiple layers of caching to improve speed and performance. That's great for visitors, but it can be frustrating when you're trying to confirm recent changes. The important thing to know is that clearing your browser cache alone often isn't enough. You may also need to clear application cache, server level cache, and even CDN cache if one is enabled. First, head into your Cloudways dashboard and open the Applications section from the top menu. Select the website you want to update. Once you're inside that application, click Application Settings from the left-hand sidebar. On the General tab, look for the Purge Site Cache section and click Purge. This is the fastest way to run a broad cache clear for that specific application, and in many cases, this one step is enough to make your latest changes appear. If you manage multiple websites on the same server, or if the issue still isn't fixed, the next step is to clear varnish at the server level. Go to the Servers tab at the top and choose the server that hosts your site. In the left sidebar, click Manage Services. Find Varnish in the list and then click Purge next to it. This clears the reverse proxy cache across applications on that server, which is especially useful when changes seem stuck across more than one site. If your website runs on WordPress, there may also be object caching or plugin level caching involved. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. If you're using the Breeze plugin, move to the top admin bar, click Breeze, and then choose Purge All Cache. This helps clear page cache and related optimized assets directly from inside WordPress, which can resolve cases where the hosting level purge didn't fully reflect backend changes. If you're using a CDN such as Cloudflare through Cloudways, you should also clear the edge cache. Back in Cloudways, open your application management area and click Cloudflare or Edge Network from the sidebar. Go to Cache Management and choose Purge Everything or Purge All. This forces Edge servers to fetch the latest version of your site instead of continuing to serve older files. Finally, verify your changes carefully. Open an incognito window, perform a hard refresh, and visit the key pages on your site. Check banners, styling, checkout areas, and any recent edits to confirm everything is now displaying correctly. This final check helps you confirm that the cache is truly cleared and your visitors are seeing the most up-to-date version of your website. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.